welcome all of you. Namaskaram. Final Golu celebration start again. I think third day we are celebrating. This is live Golu. I thought instead of posting the video live will be better, so it looks natural also. So welcome one and all to see our Golu, small or big, I don't mind. Just it's our passion to do the decorations and other thing. Now I will show you one by one of my dolls. These are all handmade dolls. Everybody know Saraswati, Lakshmi and Durga. Can you show it near? And Mahabalipuram set. Mahabalipuram nearby Chennai. Ellarkum theriyum. It's a very old architecture. And Marapachi wooden dolls. It is very important. Then these are all just instruments for Saraswati. I kept this is made of thermocol and some ice cream stick and fiber. These are all fiberglass dolls. Then first step, last year Atti Varadar, everybody knows. எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் லாஸ்ட் இயர் அத்தி வரதற்கு எவ்வளோ நடந்ததுன்னு நிறைய பேர் போய் பார்த்துருப்பேன். Anyway, that dolls. This is school. Now we have to remind this offline school, direct school. Everybody is doing only online school. Just to remind, in future we will children will go to school. For that I have kept this. Then these are folk dance costumes. Again handmade dolls. Meghalaya, Sambalpuri. It is just a fashion girl. Manipuri, Kashmiri, Maharashtrian Koli and Dandiya type. Then next third step is Rama with Lakshmana and Sita and Hanuman. This is again our favorite Krishna dancing with Gopikas. Then fourth step is Arupadai Veedu. Everybody knows Muruga has 6 abodes. Tirutani, Tiruparangundram, Palani, Swami Malai, the one where Shiva is sitting and learning from Upatesh from Muruga. That is Swami Malai. Then Tiruchendur, Tiruparangundram, all these are there. I am not telling about the correct order. Then above that, last step, that is first step, Shiva and Madurai Meenakshi. Then small Ganapati and Muruga. Lakshmi and Saraswati between Ganesha. Then again this is also handmade doll, Padmavati and Tirupati Balaji. And we will come here nearby. This is Chettiar Chettichi. அது ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ் நம்ம ஊர் கொலுவில். செட்டியார் செட்டிச்சி ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அவள் தான் கடை வைப்பா. இதெல்லாம் அந்த பிராஸ் ஐட்டம்ஸ், கிச்சன் ஐட்டம்ஸ், அப்புறம் வந்து அந்த பல்சஸ், அதுக்கோசரம் குட்டி குட்டி மூடியை எடுத்து டெக்கரேட் பண்ணி கோஸ்டர் மேலே வச்சு பருப்பெல்லாம் வச்சுருக்கு. தென் தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் டால் மேக்கிங் ஆல்சோ ஷீ செல்ஸ் சின்ஸ் வி ஆர் ஆல் இன் டு டால் மேக்கிங். ஸோ தட் வுட் ஃபேஸ் கேன்வாஸ் ஃபேஸ், தென் ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாமே வச்சுருக்கு. அந்த பக்கம் வந்து ஹேண்ட் சானிடைசர் வச்சுருக்கு, அதெல்லாம் வச்சுருக்கு. அப்புறம் இது ஜஸ்ட் டென்னிஸ் பேட். தென் ராதா கிருஷ்ணா, கியூட் ராதா கிருஷ்ணா அண்ட் த பேர் ஆஃப் ஜஸ்ட் ஷூஸ். தென் திஸ் இஸ் உபநயனம் செட். எவ்ரிபடி நோஸ் mama, mommy, the son doing the thing. And this is dancing doll and another mama, mommy. And this is a small park, not a big place over here. ஸோ சின்னதாக அப்படியே வச்சுருக்கேன். தென் இது வழக்கில் சும்மா ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கேன். இது ரங்கோலி, ஸ்மால் ரங்கோலி. நம்ம குரூப்பில் நிறைய பேர் ரங்கோலி போடுறா. அந்த மாதிரி ரங்கோலி இல்லை, இது சாதாரண ரங்கோலி. அண்ட் வெத்தலைப்பாக்கு தாம்பூலம். தென் திஸ் இஸ் சுண்டல். இன்றைக்கி வந்து பயத்தம்பருப்பு வெள்ளை சுண்டல் அது பண்ணினேன். அண்ட் I want to call one guest.
Hi Vijaya.
Hi Sudha, how are you?
Very good.
That you are
Thanks
online.
for the invite. Thanks for the
Good
invite.
that you are online today after all your drawing and artwork.
Yes, because
Okay.
Vijaya is coming online, no?
Golu
Vijaya is
Patela.
coming online.
Golu
Golu
Patela.
Paten, superba irukku. Superba irukku. So let me show you my simple Golu at the same time.
Yeah, you can see. You can show.
Okay. நான் என்ன பண்ணனும்?
See,
Hi
one
Jyoti,
more
how are you?
Good.
Yeah, good, good.
See,
Yeah, good.
after this, we are going to perform a small garba also, okay? Just two only, we two. You see and enjoy.
Thank God. Thank God. Yes. Don't ask me also to dance.
If people are scared, no problem. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, just show
So
your.
what? Adjust this 1 minute. Let me. No. What do I do? Okay, I'll just show you like this only if you can see. Okay, I'll just show you my small golu. My puja room. This is the Tanjore Marapachi.
Tanjore thing, is it?
Yes, I have done the Tanjore work on it. Beautiful. Original gold foil with Jaipur stones.
Excellent.
Then my Durga Mata, Calcutta Durga Mata.
It is a very big Durga Mata, no?
Yeah, the face is of terracotta, and I had used stones and all, painted it and decorated it. And I think you will all remember. I think most of our friends know from the dolls group, they will remember that. I mean, especially the Mumbaites, that I purchased all these dresses and everything from Bhuleshwar. Yeah, Gayatri will know better. Gayatri will remember. And of course, Andal would also know because some of the things from Chennai also. And Bangalore also. Yeah. Can you see her headdress and all that?
Yeah, everything.
Okay. And this is the main Kalash.
Okay.
Which I had been, since the time of my marriage, I had decorated her. And this is the one. She's coming out after 10 years. Believe it or not, she's come out after.
Okay, பரவாயில்ல. அப்ப கோலுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணும். அட்லீஸ்ட் இந்த வருஷம் வெளியில எடுத்து வச்சதுக்கு இல்லையா? Hello. I think her net is not working properly. Hello.
Hope you are able to see. Can you hear me?
Yeah, in between the net went off. Okay.
Okay.
You have your Ganesha collection. Can you show that?
No, Ganesha collection, I have not kept it out. It's not here.
Okay.
So maybe during my next visit, we can get it for you.
Okay.
And my puja altar, I'll show you. I had kept some decorative, I've hung some decorative pieces.
Okay.
Can you see?
Wow. Yeah. I think you have used the paper cups and all.
Yes, correct. This is the one. Can you see?
Yeah, I could see.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Okay.
That's why she is attending all Fevicryl classes or whatever art classes.
Yeah. and then this is my these dolls. I got it from Katyayani. Can you see?
Yeah.
Sai Kalyan Creations.
Okay.
Much before we formed the association, no, we were friends. Because, So, can you see it? Is
yeah.
Visible?
I could see everything.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's about it. I have not exhibited my dolls as yet. So maybe
Okay.
another day, because this is, I mean, this was too sudden for me, So
Yeah, then
just
only it
my
will be nice,
Puja.
no?
Yeah, it's nice.
Surprise
Maybe
will be
like,
always nice.
Yes, that will be surprise.
may-
Jyoti
Another gift
also surprise.
yeah, I know. So maybe another day, probably I can show
Yeah,
all
yeah.
my
Take your
craft
time and do
creations.
it and put it.
Yeah,
Post the photos,
yes.
okay? Happy Navratri.
Okay. Yeah, happy
Okay.
Navratri to all of you and all
Yeah,
my
yeah,
friends who are
you,
watching.
Nicholas, you
Bye.
wait
Yeah.
and watch, okay? One more round, I
Yes.
will show the dolls to the latecomers.
Yes, please. So
And we
I
will
just
start
need
the,
to cross. I mean, I just need to press that cross, right? And
yeah,
I
yeah,
can exit from there.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Good luck.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. I will turn the camera now. Yeah, whoever has not seen, you can see this again. Jyoti, have seen all the dolls?
Yeah, all are beautiful. I want to ask something.
Yeah.
What is this for? It's
This one
this.
is made of beetle nut actually.
Okay, wow. It's
Beetle nut
beautiful.
decoration. On the moram, we will call it as moram. Small one, but very difficult to make. No, in the
Yeah, it's looking
fingers,
very-
it won't.
Yeah, it's but it's really very good. I
Yeah, thank
like
you so
this
much.
one.
So all those my milk cover, I have used everywhere the milk
Wow.
can
But, yeah,
cap.
yeah, it's yeah,
Everywhere I
absolutely.
have that one I have used.
This fan also works, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that also works.
And this hand pump also, I think.
Yeah, we need to put water.
Very, very good. I like this little method. This is quilling one. What?
Yeah, quilling my friend.
Oh,
I purchased from my friend this small
this
quilling.
one is quilling work. Is
Yeah.
really good.
These are all just like that fillers, okay? See, lot of things in the small room, we need to accommodate everything. Aditya?
And wow, what nice you have put it this flowers. You had only made,
No, 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 no.
These are-
This is ready-made flowers. Just take it for decoration. I didn't do much decoration.
Wow, it's looking good. The
Aditya?
decoration is really awesome. Superb.
Amita is also there. Okay. Now we will have a small garba. Don't laugh, everybody. Okay, just for fun, we are going to do.
You also don't love, huh?
Number Tamil style I will do. Okay, just வளைச்சு கட்டிட்டு நேரே பண்ணு அப்பதான் அடிக்குமா. Okay, Jyoti, ready? Please, guys, all of you also participate like that, okay?
After you can also do.
Yeah. Yeah. See, Lalita is giving steady. This year we are missing the Dalia, no?
Yes, really. I think we can do every day. We can come.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Thank you, everybody, for watching our dance. Okay, I think all of you would have enjoyed something. And please watch, whoever has not watched, please watch. செலிப்ரேஷனை குறைக்காதீங்கோ. எல்லாரும் எல்லாரும் நல்லா கொண்டாடுங்கோ. இன்னொருத்தருக்கோசரம் நம்ம பண்ணறதில்ல ஃபங்க்ஷன், நம்மளுக்கோசரம் பண்றோம். அதனால என்ன முடியறதோ வச்சு எல்லாருக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கோ, எல்லாருக்கும் இன்வைட் கொடுங்கோ. வரவா வரட்டும். எல்லாம் சேஃப்டி மெஷர்ஸ், யூ ஹேவ் டு டேக் சேஃப்டி மெஷர்ஸ், தட்ஸ் ஆல். No need to scare or worry or afraid of anything. God is there, we are there. We will make this corona run away from the world. Okay, that is the main important thing.
Like a Lord Durga.
Yeah, like Durga, Mahishasura Mardini, who kills every all asuras, no? So thank you once again. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். உங்க ஃபீட்பேக் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அடுத்த வாட்டி இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். தேங்க்யூ சுதாஸ், தேங்க்யூ ஜோதி, அமிதா, for spending time with me. Thank you.